Hello all, welcome back. So today we will see how to check palindrome numbers in Java. So this is another interview question, and in the previous video we have seen how to reverse numbers in Java. So let's check how to write the code for a palindrome number check in Java. So for that I will just create a new class and let's name it as palindrome number demo. Okay, click the main method, click on finish. So first let's prompt the user to enter the number. Please enter the number, right? And we will have to read it using the scanner class. Scanner c equals new scanner system.in. All right. Let's store the number. Extent. Okay. Now we will have to reverse the number. So we have already done that in the earlier videos, so I will just copy the code from there, or just write the code while number is not equal to 0. We will write reverse equals reverse into 10 plus number mod 10, right? And number will get as number divided by 10. So once this loop is completed, we will get the reverse stored into the reverse variable. Also, I will declare a variable called int original and will hold the value of number, right? So once this whole reversing is done, we will just do a conditional check. If original is equal to reverse, in this case just print out that the number is palindrome. Number is palindrome, or else we will print out the number is not palindrome. So let's check this. Just run this code and check. Okay, so please enter the number. Let's say I enter 121. So yes, the number is palindrome. So just to demonstrate, if the number is, let's say if the number is 521, then its reverse will be 125. So as the number and the reverse are not equal, so it will not be a palindrome. So if a number is palindrome only in case if the number and its reverse both are equal. So if we will have 121, then its reverse will be 121, and hence it's a palindrome number. So that's the whole concept, and just rerun it again with a different input, and let's say if this time we enter as 542, so the number is not palindrome, reason being the reverse will be 245. So I will do one thing, I will also print let's say the original number and the reversed. Original number is, let's say, this, and reversed number is, let's say, reverse. Now let's check the code again. Okay, please enter the number. Let's say 787. So the original number is 787, reverse number is 787, hence it is a palindrome. And again we will check it with a different value, 123. So the original number is 123, reverse value is 321, so the number is not palindrome. So hope this clears the coding tutorial. So please subscribe my channel. I will post some new videos on the interview questions which are asked. So have a nice day. Bye.